Big day ahead in the Mark Leonard murder trial. Leonard's former girlfriend and alleged co-conspirator in the crime will testify.
And the testimony is part of the plea deal that will reduce her punishment in this crime. Eyewitness News reporter Rich Van Wyk has been inside the courtroom from the very beginning. He tells us this morning what's happening later today.
Monserrate Shirley is scheduled to be the first witness and perhaps only witness to testify. She's expected to corroborate evidence jurors have already heard and point to Mark Leonard as the ringleader of a dangerous plot to cash in on a $300,000 insurance policy. Lead prosecutor Denise Robinson makes it sound simple.
We expect that she will show up in court, and we'll expect that she'll tell the truth.
But for 2 years, Shirley apparently wasn't telling the truth, misleading investigators, denying any responsibility, and claiming she too was a victim.
I just said I'm devastated, that I lost it all, that my neighbor lost a life, that my whole neighborhood is destroyed.
Leonard's attorneys subpoenaed Shirley's recorded interviews. They will likely use them in court to cast doubts on her honesty and credibility. Shirley agreed to testify against her former boyfriend and alleged accomplices in exchange for prosecutors dropping all but 2 of the criminal charges against her.
She gives an insider's perspective, and I think it's that perspective that the jury needs to hear. She can fill in some detail.
In Shirley's plea agreement, she claims the plot to profit from the burning of her home began a year earlier. She describes how 2 attempts failed and the 3rd succeeded. The resulting explosion killed neighbors Dion and Jennifer Longworth and caused $4 million damage. The prosecution's case does not end with Monserrate Shirley's testimony. Prosecutors still have much more to prove. They intend to call another 35 witnesses to testify before concluding their case Wednesday or Thursday of next week. In South Bend, Rich Van Wyk, Channel 13 Eyewitness News.